Okay, took our 1/2 inch dowel here and we put it in here to make sure we got enough tension on this so we can test the spring. So the mouth's going to open and close properly. So we're in good shape there. So we're going to take this and we're going to glue this in.
Ready to get your $750? Get started right now at aprilcash2023.com. Remember, this offers only
And what we have is we're going to use a 1-inch ring, and that gets tied onto the bottom of our string to be able to open and close that. So we got this all set. We just want to check the back of the mouth, make sure the back of the mouth is going to fit on here, or the back of the head will fit on here okay. And that's going to be fine. So we'll put a couple of nails in here to hold it. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we glued it, put a couple nails in it to let it set up. So we're all set with this one. We can give it a final sanding and then we can work on getting it sealed. Thanks for watching.